Howdy, partner. This Poolmate Hydro 6 promises industrial level cleaning in your residential swimming pool. Let's go ahead and test it out, show you the features, unbox it, and see if it delivers on the promises. Okay, so the Poolmate Hydro 6 comes pretty well packaged, it seems, and it's got nice foam padding. Everything is well organized and wrapped. This is going to be the waterproof cord and the control module. Then we have filters. And as you can see, the machine looks really substantial. And can't wait to check this out. Here in the bottom is where it looks like dual ports for the water to come in, or the debris rather. And then on the top, wow, that is a big bucket. And it has those filters, I guess you have extras, as well as two different containers to hold debris. So we're gonna get this all set up, get it plugged in, and test out in the pool. Stay tuned. The Poolmate comes with this handy control module here, and what you do is you keep this outside and you can press this mode button to switch between the modes, which it's a little hard to see right now in the sunlight. We have regular mode, ultra to clean the whole pool really good. You have fast for a quick clean, you have custom, you have floor for just the floor or just the water line. So you can do that. Also, if you press here to pick up, it'll go ahead and raise it up for 5 minutes and let you pick it up. Once you get everything set up on the control panel, then you just go ahead and take the Poolmate and you're gonna lower it into the pool, let it fill with water. It'll sink to the bottom and it'll start working. Found the bottom, turns on the two motors, and it's going to get to work cleaning that pool. Let's see if we can get some nice debris in it right away. Vroom, vroom. Now we've placed the Poolmate Hydro 6 into the pool to allow it to clean. You can see as it's working over the debris, when it reaches a wall, it has the power to go ahead and grab onto that wall, and using the scrubbers on the top and the bottom, it can climb the wall with the suction in order to clean that. Once it reaches the top, the water line is a stubborn area which often gets water lines. This goes over here and it will scrub that. And you can set the water line setting, we'll just go around the pool and clean one of the hardest parts to clean, which is that tile that gets some of the scum on it from time to time. So that's a really nice feature. In terms of the other settings, you saw that you can do just the floor, you can do the entire pool or the wall. Now it says rated to suck 8,800 gallons per hour, and it has a small filtration filter on it that will really help to keep your water sparkling. This is a large 35,000 gallon swimming pool, and the deep end's about 8 feet, and you can see it has absolutely no issue going from the deep end to the shallow end on a slope of probably about 60 degrees. So it moves in a random cleaning path going around, and you can see as it picks up some of the leaves and just helps to get everywhere, and has no issue conquering pools that are even up to a little over 2,000 square feet. So really nice there, and if you need to empty the bucket, you can, and you need debris, and then you can just go ahead and keep it going because it's plugged in. So we press the pickup button and it'll sit here for 5 minutes, really making it easy to get it out of the pool. So you just go ahead and grab it. It'll shut down so it stops running. You want to drain some of the water out. And then we'll go ahead and get it opened up, check out how that debris filter worked, and show you the finished result. Okay, so you see we have a lot of debris in here. There's some big debris like these sticks, part of an old goggle set from the kids, as well as a bunch of sand. If you want to look really, really close, this is a fine mesh infiltration which helps to keep the water clear, but you see it caught a whole lot of sand in here, as well as a lot of debris. Now if this gets too heavy, it may have trouble doing out water line or doing a pickup, because if it really fills with sand, this can get pretty heavy. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and hose it off after each use, or when it gets really gunked up, to keep it nice and clean. And here you can see the before and after with how much dirt this microfiltration is picking up. All right, Well, this has been a lot of fun testing out this Hydro 6. It does have a lot of functionality in this unit, as well as a great deal of power. It's nice to have a corded unit sometimes because you can run it over and over again without having to recharge, but there are benefits as well to the cordless models, which are also carried by Poolmate. If you appreciate this video, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more great home how-to content, as well as some great reviews of some of this autonomous cleaning equipment. Remember, if I can do this, you can too. Thanks for watching.